everybody doing out there in the world of YouTube? YouTube is a great tool we have nowadays. And what we're doing today is we're going to make a little video about our flatbeds we build. My name is Adam Crever. I'm Centro Welding. We also manufacture common screen topsoil screeners, which is, if you search YouTube, you will find me on there also. Another part of our company, we manufacture flatbeds. Right now today we're standing in our assembly room. This is where we do our final finish, put them on the trucks. This is where the customers pick them up. But before we get to this video, I have to do my legal disclaimer. Everything in these videos is my opinion, okay? And if I accidentally on purpose make a rude comment about somebody or a name or a company, just remember it's all my opinion, and that makes it legal. So let's move on now with our flatbeds. So these are the Ironman truck bodies we build. We basically custom manufacture these per order. We're not a company that builds 500 of the same thing and sticks them out in the driveway and waits for somebody to come get them. This right here is an actual customer's flatbed we're building. And what I want to do is go around this flatbed and just show you some of the things we do to our flatbeds that I know other companies don't do to their flatbeds. It's just like with our topsoil screeners. We build a very high quality product, and you will find that these are very high quality flatbeds, okay? These flatbeds should last you more than one truck. Or what we're running into lately with manufactured flatbeds is the trucks are lasting longer than the flatbeds, which is really a sad situation. So like on this flatbed right here, pretty much standard all of them, you get a headache rack. We have light boxes up here. Not everyone gets a light box up here. These are built to what you, the customer, wants. This one has the marker lights down the side of it. All of our flatbeds do have the tie rail on the side with the stake pockets, okay? So I'm going to come around the back of this flatbed, and I'm going to show you that, first of all, and secondly, we also manufacture our own wiring harnesses. In the back room behind me, we have a setup. We have a jig board. All of our light units are manufactured here. We heat shrink everything. We do everything we can to get a good life out of your wiring harness. And again, if you had one of our flatbeds and you get down the road and you're going to put it on your next truck and you found the harness was a little ratty or you had a different lighting setup, all you would have to do is call us on the phone and you'd be able to buy a wiring harness from us because we standardize them. They're all built in a jig. Everything we do in our shop, and the other half of this building is our manufacturing area, I am a freak about building everything in jigs. So we actually have another wagon that is a jig table that our flatbeds are built in. Depending on the size, width, length, whatever it may be, we move our jig, the pieces go in, the jig, we jig build. Okay. Now this flatbed here, this customer wanted straight across the back. I'm going to have Adam, who's actually the owner of the truck bed part of the company, he's going to come over in a minute and pop a side on for us. But this customer wanted flat across the back. This one does have sides that goes on it. We do offer it. We have the tapered back ends. It comes across, it tapers back. We offer the skirts on the bottom. This one here, the customer didn't want it. This is just a straight flat skirt. What we do also offer it with the tail license plate recess box here. You know, here at this company, we're an equipment restoration and modification company. So the other thing to our truck bodies is, if you decide to buy one of our truck bodies, you can bring your truck to us. We can remove your box. We hate to, but we would. We can sandblast your chassis. We offer many different styles of paint combinations. Me, myself, I do everything in IMRA. We get some customers that don't want that. You know, we have single stage paints. We can do anything you want, but we can have your chassis sandblasted. We can mount your new flatbed for you. We can put the mud flaps on it. So basically, you can drop your truck off and pick it back up ready to work. We just got off the phone with a customer. He's taking one of our flatbeds. He's also having a ladder rack built for it. So again, we're going to mount it, we're going to do a ladder rack for him. When he leaves here, he's ready to work. He doesn't have to take it home and then do what he really wants done to it. So again, this is a straight across the back flatbed. And here in a minute, I'm going to have Adam come over and pop one of the sides on for you. But before we get to that, what I want to show you is, this is actually somebody that came to us to have us make some new cross members because their cross members were rotted out. This is like 14 gauge, stamped out on a metal. You cut it on a shear and you bend it on your brake. Okay? We can do that here. We have all the equipment. We made these replacement parts for some guy. Okay? So let me show you the difference right now. This is what we built the main frame out of. This is our tubing. We happen to use 1/8" tubing. You as a customer, if you wanted a thicker tubing, all you had to do was request it to us. We adjust the price of our flatbed. Our flatbeds we have from just a plain Jane standard right up to anything you can think of for a flatbed. We can build it for you. We sent one out that had an all metal headache rack on it. He wanted D-rings up there. He wanted D-rings down here. He got sides for it. He got the works on his. His actually had a dump unit. The truck and the dump unit outlasted his flatbed. We built him a new, nice, fancy flatbed, and he's back on the road working. So there's the tubing we use. We don't use stamped out tin sides like pretty much all the other companies. Honestly, we have not found another company that does it the way we do it. So again, that cross member I just threw on the floor over there, that thing will be rotted out in no time. We use channel for our main rail, bigger channel, and then we use real channel for our stringers across. One of the things we do, we use the 2-inch channel across. We do have a standard setup, the amount of cross members we put in a flatbed, but we recess these down so that you put your wood on. Your wood is just a tad bit lower than your actual framing. So it looks really nice, it's easy to load things on and off. So we use channel for our cross members, and we use channel for our main stringers. Here's a piece of the channel for the main frame rail stringer on our flatbed. So again, it's not a stamped out piece of metal. We could make a ton more money on these flatbeds if we went to a stamped out $100 sheet of metal and just stamped all your parts out for you, but your flatbed's not going to last, okay? So there's a picture of that. Around the main frame, there's 1/8" angle iron. We use real angle iron, and that gives us the lip to set your wood on. Any other parts we build with this thing, like for the headache rack, real square tubing on our headache rack. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to have Adam come over, and he's going to pop one of the sides on. And again, this customer wanted straight across the back. We've even had customers get the tapered back ends with the side rails. It just happened to be this one is what we have in stock. And then what you would do is you pop your other ones on, you pop your back ones on. And what you do, again, use that option. You're going to load something up. This isn't one big full side. You've got it in sections. You pull it off. You put whatever you've got to put up on your flatbed. So this is our video on our flatbeds. And just remember, like I was stating, we custom build these to your need, your wishes. We are an equipment restoration and modification company. You can bring us your truck, no matter how big, no matter how small, and we can send it back to you looking really, really good, nice, usable. And just remember, look at everybody that's got a Ford out there, and I'm a Chevy man. Chevys, they're not perfect, but the Ford boxes are falling off, okay? We sell tons of these flatbeds to Ford people, but you know, if you really think about a flatbed, and you get guys going back and forth, maybe I'll find another box, but you actually end up with more usable space with a flatbed. You have no wheel wells in here. It's only 4 foot wide on a regular box. So, again, in the back, we do put the skirt on. If you wanted it to come down, we can put a hitch on. We put receivers in them. We've mounted toolboxes on them. We've done flatbeds with toolboxes between the flatbed and the cab. I can just go on and on and on. It's almost like every single one that comes in, the customer has an idea of what they want. And that's probably part of the success we're having in our flatbed business, is because if you go to any other parts store or a place that sells horse trailers and flatbeds and car trailers, you are going to get what they have on the lot. Take it or leave it. you don't get anything custom out of them. We here in this business, we are fabricators. We don't build buildings. We are very good at what we do, and we would be more than glad to help you out. So watch this video 2-3 times. It's Ironman Flatbeds. You're going to ask for Adam. He's the quiet guy in the background. And our phone number is 315-339-WELD, which WELD works out to 9353. So hope to hear from you. I know with my topsoil screening business, this YouTube has actually made my business go crazy, and I'm hoping the flatbed business goes crazy for us. Thank you.